Welcome back to PaCO Nursing Studies. Today we are breaking down arterial blood gas interpretation using a simple 3-minute cheat code that will help you ace your exam. As shown on the slide, this is divided into two easy sections, the normal value to memorize on the left and the room method cheat code on the right. Let's start with the normal ABG values. First is pH, which measures the acid-base balance in the body. The normal range is 7.35 to 7.45. If the pH drops below 7.35, it indicates acidosis. And if it rises above 7.45, it indicates alkalosis. Second is PaCO₂, which represent the respiratory component. Its normal range is 35 to 45 mm of HC. Third is HCO₃ or bicarbonate, which represent the metabolic component. The normal range here is 22 to 26 milliequivalents per liter. To put this number together for a diagnosis, use the room method, which stands for respiratory opposite and metabolic equal. This cheat code tells you exactly how the values move in relation to each other. When the primary problem is respiratory, the pH and PaCO₂ move in opposite direction. If the pH is low and the PaCO₂ is high, they are moving in opposite direction, resulting in respiratory acidosis. If the pH is high and the PaCO₂ is low, they are also moving in opposite direction, resulting in respiratory alkalosis. Conversely, when the problem is metabolic, the pH and the bicarbonate move in an equal or identical direction. If the pH is low and HCO₃ is low, they are moving down together, resulting in metabolic acidosis. If the pH is high and HCO₃ is high, they are moving up together, resulting in metabolic alkalosis. Memorizing these baseline ranges and applying the room directional cheat code allows quick and accurate ABG analysis during exam. Thank you for watching PaCO Nursing Studies and subscribe for more high-yield exam breakdowns. Thank you.